Morning, my people. I am doing a get ready with me today. I am just waking up on my day off. I have my coffee in hand. That's nice. I'm just gonna do kind of like a step-by-step, kind of like little quick run through of the skincare that I use in the morning, and then also I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym later today. So I'll basically be doing like a gym look. I just feel like I work out better when I do that. This is starting out real well. Guys, this is my go-to product in the morning. It is my Tula Multi-Spectrum Eye Renewal Serum little pin. I just think I love that this little metal tip feels so cold underneath and like on top of my eyes to help like depuff. Lately, I've actually had some really bad puffy eye mornings. Like, I don't know if it's allergies going around or what it is, but this little baby, I feel like honestly does wonders. Next is the Aqua Infusion. This is the like oil-free gel cream. I usually just do maybe 1.5 pumps of this, and I just kind of put this all over my face to start the day. One last step in skincare right now that I'm going to do is the Murad Eye Cream. So this is the Renewing Eye Cream. I talked about it in the FabFitFun spring unboxing that I just did a few weeks ago. I have the Tula Eye Cream as well. I honestly prefer the Murad over the Tula. It's maybe like a creamier substance. Like, I just feel like it really kind of coats the under eye and fills in those like lines that I don't want there. Love this Tatcha primer. This is my go-to, has been for a while now. As you can see, I like that it comes with the disc, and then I just wipe it off onto my finger, get it nice and warm. Just go and start to press it into your skin. After the primer comes my Bright Eyes from Tula. So this is actually Glow and Get It. It's a cooling and brightening little under eye stick. And I didn't buy this right away when it first came out because I was like, do I need that product? But then I kept seeing like all these reviews saying that it was amazing. So basically, I got it, and honestly, I love it. I just like that it kind of adds like a little like iridescent glow. Not a big one, but it adds like a little something after I do it before I put on my foundation and things. Now to beat the space. I have my Real Technique sponge. I've already wetted it, and I've also dried it off in the towel. I'm using my MAC foundation in 2 shades actually. Right now I'm gonna go in like the lighter areas. Now I'm gonna go in with my NW25. As you can see, it's just a tiny bit darker. In now with some bronzer, and I'm just gonna hit like wherever you think the sun would hit your face first, and kind of like your contour areas. Alright y'all, so the base is now done. I'm going in to do these brows because they need to be done every day because unfortunately they just don't grow in enough where I need them to. Whew, I am sweating every time I'm in here doing my makeup. I'm sweating. I got the eyebrows drawn in with my pencil, and to make them a little more stand out, I'm going in with my dip brow from Anastasia, again in the taupe. This is one of my new highlights I've been loving ever since I had my MAC makeover over at the store, which I have a video that you can see right there if you click on it. That way you can see how he did my face that day and transform me into this whole other person. I honestly didn't even look like myself. I'm using the soft, yes, this is the Soft in General Mineral Highlight from MAC, and I go to town above my cheekbones. Going in with my blush. I'm going in with a deeper one over here towards the back portion of my cheekbone. I'm using NARS in Orgasm. To finish off my little fleshness, I'm going in with a MAC blush, and this is in the shade called Dainty. It comes out very, very natural. I'm just going in right on the apple of my cheek. All of these shades are from MAC. I'm going in with this soft brown into the crease of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this pink shade, and that is in the shade called Girly. Again, same brush, just get a little bit on there, and I'm just going basically in the same spot, and I'm going to drag it down a little bit more on the outer corner of the lid. Just to add a little bit more highlight to the eye, it's called Orb. So just going in with a small little flat brush, and I'm going under the brow, and then I'm going to the inner portion of my lid. Oh my god, I almost forgot the highlight on the eye. You must have highlight everywhere, in my opinion, because fell in love with this. It's another MAC product. It is in Powerline Bronzy Gold Eyeliner Pencil. So I've been using this in my bottom waterline, and then on the outer corner, to the middle portion of the eye. So instead of using black all the time, this is nice because it's still dark, but it gives it just that reflection of the gold on my blue eye. I don't know, I feel like it makes my eye look a little more blue and pops a little bit more. It could all be in my head, and I just like it because it's a little more gold, but that's what we're using today. I'm gonna go in with my actual black, and I'm gonna do the top, regular line my eye. That's the last stage of beating this face. My current fave is from Hourglass. It is the Caution Extreme Lash. I actually just got a new one during the Sephora VIP sale. So I'm using my setting spray from MAC again. This is the Prep and Prime, and it is in Cherry Blossom. It is a limited edition, and not gonna lie, I bought it for the bottle. I use a fan to help dry it in. People make fun of me, but really, they just don't know. It might seem like a lot to some, but for a girl that wears a lot of makeup, this is like minimal. If you have questions about this look, any of the products, I'll have all of that stuff listed below. If you're interested in seeing some more beauty tutorials from me, make sure to check out these videos right over here because those will share some more insights with you that you might like. I would love it if you would subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell. Until next time, friends, that is gonna wrap it up for today. Bye.